All right, I'll be honest. I don't know. My daughter, the 5-year-old, she downloaded the app there because she wanted to use the sound. I don't think I'm ready for the bright lights on stage quite yet. And anyway, all right. Hey, lesson number 3 here, people. We are talking about rational numbers on the number line. So we're really using our visual and visual of being able to visualize. That's a lot of the word visual I use there. Okay, we're trying to be able to use our visual number line, that mental number line that's inside of our head here. So, we want to be able to place numbers in the correct location on a number line. So, let's kind of get ourselves into it and knock out a few of these. They want us to, put them on the number line. Okay. It says you can change them into decimals. Okay, you could, but I'd actually rather you not. I'd rather use your fraction knowledge of what a fourth looks like versus 3/4 or a half, that kind of stuff. So, put the -4 on there. Okay, if I want to put the -4 on there, well, I'm actually going to go to -4, and we'll just put that little dot right there, and there we are. All right, a third. Okay, realizing that it's smaller than 1, and it's closer to the 0 than it is. So, again, estimation there. -2.5, also known as -2 5/10, also known as -2 1/2. So your ability to go to -2 and then go to halfway and go ahead and put your point that's there. 5/4. Now this one I would encourage to make it into a mixed number. So how many groups of 4 can I take out of 5? Well, one of them. There's 1 piece is left over, and I was trying to put them in groups of 4. So being able to identify 1 and 1/4, go 1 and then go a 4. So again, this is what we're after here, and mainly the ability to use that left of the 0, the negative numbers. So -3 1/2, hey, we're going to -3. We're going to go halfway. We're right in between that -3 and that -4. So again, we're working on that visual number line that's there. We've got that one. We've got that one. Yeah, let's go into 4. Let's go into lesson 4 here, people. We're talking about, I can use the term absolute value. So absolute value, it actually shows up a lot throughout your mathematical careers. It is the distance from 0 on a number line. So it's one of those weird things where it's like, seriously, like that's it? Find out how far it's from 0 on the number line? Like that's all I do? And yeah, it is. So, like how far is 4 away from 0 on a number line? Well, it's 4. No earth-shattering news there, people. All right? So let's dip down a little bit here. Here, I'm going to go down to here. So absolute value, a number's distance. Let's put that down there. A number's distance from 0. So when we ask, like, hey, is it always going to be positive? Yes, because it's a distance. You can't go out running for a -3 mile run, people. Even if you run to the left, even if you run downhill, hey, it's still a distance here. It's a positive amount. So we use these little bars. That's your absolute value symbol. So if we look down here with this 5, that's inside those lines that go straight up and down, that's asking you what's the absolute value of 5, which means how far is 5 from 0 on a number line? Well, it's 5. Slide to your right, -1,000. How far is -1,000 on a number line? So if you visualize it, it would take 1,000 spaces to get to 0. So it's 1,000. And the last one there, 85. How far is 85 from 0? Yeah, mind blown. 85 units away. That's it. That's it there, people. So we're going to be using this when we talk about our adding and our subtracting with our negative numbers, also known as our integers, because we're going to deal with positives and negatives to go along with it. So again, working on that internal number line of where to place things at. It's a developmental thing. It's something that as you see it, the stronger you will become at it. That's it for 2 lessons there, people. That kind of feels good as you go forward, isn't it? Oh, you want more? You want more?